welcome to our channel, Hubby and Her and Motorhome Moments. Well, thank you for watching this video. This is just a short one really. To Wi-Fi or not to Wi-Fi? That's the question. Yeah, what should we do? I've had a quote roughly for about £399 where I can have a Wi-Fi puck fitted to the roof of the van, and I can have Wi-Fi. I get all the router, that's the whole kit and caboodle. But so I've just got a bit mad and I've got a new phone on contract and I've got unlimited data. So have I saved myself £400? Please comment below if you could, please, and if I've possibly made a good decision or indeed a bad decision. My idea is, because it's unlimited data, and I don't do a lot of things on the internet, but I can use my phone as a hotspot if the signal's a little bit weak or if I need Wi-Fi. We have a smart telly, so I'm hoping that we could run not massive amounts, but just the odd hour worth of video or hour Netflix or hour and a half Netflix once a day, nothing excessive. And you know, we tend to hopefully only go away for a few days at a time, but of course that will increase in time. But yeah, comments below please if you wouldn't mind, if you've got any thoughts on this. Do you Wi-Fi? Do you use a puck and a router? Or have you got a phone that can give you unlimited data and you can hotspot off your phone, if that's indeed the expression? I think it's called hotspot. Yeah, Wi-Fi hotspot. Yeah, anyway, please please subscribe to our channel. It's free to do so. We welcome all views and all comments, but most importantly, we're pleased that you've taken the time to watch our videos. It's just me today, Hubby, aka Gary, but thanks for watching. See you very soon. We hope to be good.